Your car's heater core plays an important role in keeping you warm during cold weather. But over time, dirt, rust, and debris can clog it, stopping warm air from blowing through the vents. Here is a simple and easy way to help you unclog your car's heater core. Before you start cleaning, it is important to make sure the heater core is really clogged. Common signs include little or no heat coming from the vents, and a sweet antifreeze smell inside the car. You might also notice your engine overheating because coolant is not circulating properly. Always begin by letting your car cool down completely. Park the car on a flat surface, turn off the engine, and wait at least 30 minutes before starting. Wear gloves and safety glasses for protection. Open your car's hood and look for two small hoses going into the firewall. These hoses connect the heater core to the engine. One hose carries hot coolant into the core, and the other sends it back to the engine. Place a drain pan under the radiator, and open the drain valve to remove the old coolant. Draining the coolant helps prevent spills when you disconnect the heater hoses later. Be careful, coolant is toxic to pets and the environment, so dispose of it properly. Use pliers to remove the clamps from both heater hoses. Gently twist and pull the hoses free. If they are stuck, avoid pulling too hard, as the heater core pipes can break easily. Once the hoses are off, you will see the two openings leading into the heater core. Attach a garden hose to one of the heater core openings. Turn on the water gently and let it flow through. Dirty coolant, rust, or debris will start coming out from the other side. After flushing one side, switch the hose to the other pipe and repeat the process. This reverse flush helps remove any remaining debris that might be stuck inside. Once the core is clean, reattach both heater hoses and secure them with their clamps. Make sure they are tight and sealed properly to prevent leaks. Refill your radiator with fresh coolant that matches your car's specifications. It is best to mix coolant with distilled water in a 50-50 ratio. This helps protect against rust and overheating. After filling the coolant, start the engine and let it run with the heater set to the highest setting. This allows coolant to circulate through the heater core and pushes out any trapped air. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it up if needed. Once the engine warms up, feel the air from your vents. If it is warm again, your heater core is unclogged and working properly. Also, check around the hoses and radiator for any leaks. Unclogging your heater core can bring back warm, comfortable air inside your car and improve engine cooling.